Welcome back to this video. Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I will show you on how to change or update your email account on Payoneer account. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to open up your browser and make sure you head over to payoneer.com. Then you'll get into payoneer.com. What you need to do is to log into your account. So you have to come down below right here. Then you have to come right here, enter your username and your password. Then click on sign in. So it's going to open up to your account just like so. Next thing you want to do is to simply come to the top right here. So what you want to do is to simply click on here and then make sure you navigate to settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply go to profile settings. So it's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on edit. Then right here, come down below right here, enter your new email address. Once you enter your new email address, come down below here and click on save. And with that, your email address is going to be completely changed. Then you can use the new email address to log in successful to your Payoneer account. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to change or update your email address with your Payoneer account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about Payoneer topics like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.